Alright folks, I'm going to do a quick video here. I have my DJI Mini 3 Pro right here. And what I've been curious at the noise level of the drone. I noticed a couple of times I've used it, it's pretty quiet. And I'm curious if I can go outside, work outside, and maybe pop it up in follow me mode and just have it sit there while I do work out in the yard, or maybe fix something, whatever I want to do, so it can help me with some of the videotaping that I'm doing. And will it interfere with the audio or what I'm trying to say on that video? All right, so this is not a professional test of the audio or the sound and how much decibels. There are several videos of that on YouTube. This is just, okay, if I pop it up, woo, and put it in follow me mode, what does it sound like? Can I put my mic on? I'm going to have my COMICA Boom XD mic, transmitter and receiver. Will you be able to hear me talking? Will you hear, mainly the drone, or a mix of the drone and me talking? So this is just a curiosity type of video, and I don't know, maybe you want to know too. All right, let's go. All right, I've got my COMICA Boom XD mic on and receiver plugged into the phone. Hopefully you can hear me. Now I'm going to turn on the drone first. This is a DJI Mini 3 Pro. Turn that one on. Now turn on this. Hopefully it'll find the DJI over there as it should. There we go. And now I will, there we go. And it already has 17 satellites. All right, now I'm going to turn on video. I'm going to pop it up and then put it in follow me mode. Okay. Will it follow me? And what does the sound like? Is it too loud? I don't know. Plus it's windy out, so I'm just going to let it follow me back here. Backyard. This is a test, folks. Yeah, looks like it is following me, so. Okay. We'll go along the edge of my land here and see what this is all like. See if you can hear me okay. Are the propellers of the drone making it too noisy? I don't know. We're gonna find out when I put this video in and see what it's like. This wind is really blowing right now, so I'm also curious how this wind muff is doing on the COMICA mic, because the wind is blowing right on me, probably like 10 miles an hour. And is she still following me? Yep. Still following. But what's the sound like? Can you hear it very well? Can you not hear it at all? What's going on? Just curious. As we walk around here. Now we got a car coming by. There's the drone. So there you go, folks. I popped the drone up. I had it follow me around the yard, had my COMICA Boom XD mic on, kind of just spoke at a normal tone. Honestly, sometimes I couldn't even tell if the drone was still back behind me. I had to actually turn around and take a look to make sure it was still following me. I just couldn't hear it, especially when I got near things, like when I went up around and got near my air conditioner unit. I couldn't hear the drone at all. And then when the wind was blowing, couldn't hear it. It was only when I turned around and saw it could I actually, hear it. It got to my ears and I could hear it. So I think what I'm going to do from now on, if I go outside and I do some work and I want to videotape it, I'm going to pop the DJI Mini 3 Pro up and put it in follow me mode and just do work and see how that video turns out. All right. If you guys like the videos, click like. If you like our channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to keep making these videos and having a good time. This is fun for me, and I'm just going to keep pushing along. All right. You guys have a great day. Goodbye.